Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu has surrendered at a court in Punjab's Patiala a day after the Supreme Court sentenced him to 1 year jail in a road rage incident in which a man was killed 34 years ago. He had requested for a few more weeks to surrender on health grounds. That was denied. And tonight, essentially, he is going to be spending his first night in prison. Let's go right across to Ghazali joining us with the very latest. Ghazali, Navjot Singh Sidhu surrendered. He asked for more time, but that wasn't given. And he's essentially going to be spending his first night in jail tonight.
Yeah, first night in jail. Perhaps he exhausted all the legal options because the application was filed in the Supreme Court asking for some relaxation for surrender for a few weeks, because his counsel, Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, had requested the court that he has some medical reasons or conditions, and that and based on those grounds he should be given some relaxation, but that was not entertained by the court. Rather, he was asked to file a fresh application, and that's why the court order for his conviction came yesterday, and till today evening, late evening, Mr. Sidhu didn't surrender. He thought or expected that the court will entertain his plea, but that was rejected by the court, and that is when at around 3:30 to 4 p.m. he surrendered before the district court, from where he was taken to a local hospital for his medical test, and late in the evening by around 7:30 he entered in the jail premises in the Patiala district there itself, because the case was registered in Patiala in 1988. Now, the entire common day, or you can say the timetable of a prisoner or the convict in any jail, as per the jail manual, it starts at around 5:30 and you are served breakfast at around 7, and then you are engaged in some work. Now, for the first 3 months, Navjot Singh Sidhu will not be paid anything. He will be seen, he will be examined, or sort of being judged whether he falls in the skilled category, semi-skilled category. One of the jail officials was also quoted saying that they will see whether he is fit enough to work in the jail farm or biscuit factory or in the jail office or library. So that needs to be seen. More than that, we have all seen Navjot Singh Sidhu in the last 10-15 years in his political life with all his flashy clothes and all, but here the convicts are given white uniform or the white dress, which he will also have to wear, because in the jail manual it is mentioned that it is there to distinguish between convicts and rest of the prisoners who are either under trials or there for some other crimes.
All right, very interesting details there. Thanks very much, Ghazali, for joining us.